Today's house we love in Italy is in the historic centre of the pretty village of Mulazzo in Tuscany. This characteristic stone home is set in the lovely Tuscan countryside. The nearest airport is in Pisa. It's also less than 2 hours from Florence, Bologna, Genoa, and everywhere in between. What makes this spacious two-bedroom home special is the panoramic views of the beautiful countryside, the bright, sun-filled eating kitchen, and the 123 square metre private courtyard-style garden. It's on the market for an incredible €95,000. There is a link to the original listing and REALTOR'S contact information in the video notes below. The theme of this week's collection is Lake Homes, and there are 25 of them, all under €150,000. They're sent out to members every Sunday. Thanks to everyone for liking, sharing, subscribing, and becoming a member. Your support is appreciated and allows us to continue to share these incredible, affordable houses that we love.